Naked blind mole rats are a species of naked mole rat found commonly in the Middle East. They are distinguished by their remarkable longevity, with a recorded lifespan of up to 21 years. Their lifestyle: they are underground dwelling blind rats, and their resistance to cancer. They have presented an ability to stop their cells from over-multiplying and developing into cancerous cells. This could potentially help scientists to figure out how to prevent cancer in humans. Scientists are studying these creatures' cells to see how they differ from ours and how this ability works to prevent cancer. The cells in living creatures multiply through a normal process called mitosis, where a new cell is created from the nutrients in an already existing cell. The two main types of cell death are necrosis and apoptosis. Necrosis occurs when a person gets injured, causing their cells to die from a lack of blood supply or due to a toxin. This may cause the cell's contents to leak out and damage neighboring cells. This can cause inflammation. Apoptosis is a normal process of cell death, where as a response to stimuli, a cell triggers its own demise. Its contents break down and are converted into small membranes for immune system cells to absorb. Studies conducted on how blind mole rat cells behave in a petri dish have shown that rather than multiplying and dying at the same rate cells of other animals do, the cells of the blind mole rat are programmed to die in massive collections all at once. This is known as concerted cell death. This mass cell suicide seems to be triggered by large amounts of cells releasing a signaling molecule called interferon beta, although scientists don't know what causes this. Concerted cell death, although a major discovery in these creatures' cells processes, might not be the reason these rats are immune to cancer. Although the techniques used in these experiments have worked for studying other species' cells, it may not work for blind mole rat cells, as they seem to just keep dying in these conditions. It is quite possible the methods used in these experiments are not adequate to maintain the species' cells in a long-term scenario, and this is what is causing this cell suicide, rather than it being their evolutionary method of resisting cancer. Blind mole rats have the ability to ward off cancer. This is possibly due to a process of mass cell suicide, causing older cells to die, keeping cells from getting to the point of mutating. If this process is proven to be the secret of how these creatures defend against cancer, scientists could develop a way to replicate this process in humans, potentially curing cancer.